The callus?
Mm-hmm. My concern is there might be an open sore underneath it, though, which is why it's so painful. But let's just see.
I walk on carpeting, it's okay.
Yeah, you just don't have much fat padding under this bone here. So it's kind of like the bone and the skin. All right, so it's a pleasant surprise that I don't see an open sore.
Herbs.
What's the discoloration?
That's some bleeding at the base of the callus.
Okay.
Are you gonna clip the nails?
I am, as soon as I'm done with this.
Helix.
Are you a hunter?
Hunter, no. I get no pleasure out of killing things.
You go on an expedition?
No, she doesn't. Oh, maybe. Well, these were photos she took
Photo safaris, yes.
of live animals, which we love. I agree.
And isn't it crazy that we use the same word for guns and photographs that we shoot them?
Did you take those?
I did. I took all those pictures.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh. You can feel that.
Yeah. But the good news is that there's no open sore. I really thought there would be, and there's not. There's just no padding there. That's your bone right there. So, but yes, so no open sore, so that's the good news.
What can you do about it?
Well, I'm going to make sure that we have your shoe padded to help take the pressure off that spot. And right now, that's probably the best we can do. Okay.